Picking the right plants is essential when creating the perfect garden. These tips will help you choose plants that will enhance the beauty, functionality, and sustainability of your garden. When choosing plants for your garden, it's important to consider both the climate and garden's conditions. Be sure to select plants that will thrive in your local temperature range and typical weather patterns. Additionally, assess your soil type by checking its texture, drainage, and pH levels to ensure it supports healthy plant growth. Choose plants that fit your schedule and skill level. Some need more attention and care than others. Also, select plants with a purpose, whether it's providing shade or adding color and texture to your garden. It's always good to opt for native plants because they adapt to your local climate and often require less maintenance. Try to avoid invasive species that can harm the native ecosystems and can be challenging to control. Another thing to consider is some plants have specific levels of light requirements. Note areas of full sun and partial shade. Choose plants that will match your garden's lighting conditions. Finally, determine how much space you have to work with. It's important to know about the growth habits of plants to ensure they have a reasonable amount of space to grow without overcrowding. Now you're ready to go out and start your garden.